Today, we are taking a look at the Toyota Corolla Levin AE92 for the 1989 Spa of 24 Hours kit from NuNu Model Kits. B124 scale curbside kit. This is going to be the second reissue of this tooling modified. So some new parts for this one. It was initially released in 2017 as the Minolta Corolla for the 88 Group A series. All right, let's check it out. And getting started with the body. As you can see, it is a multi-piece body. Starting off now with the chassis interior parts tree. See, it has both on here. Chassis. As you can see, pretty much none of the underside detail is molded into it, other than the lower part of the engine. I'll move up here to the interior bucket, which is obviously stripped for your race pleasure. Race pleasure, I don't even know what that means. Up here, and we'll take a look at the dash, the seat, the underside covering. And over there, there's some suspension, spring struts, rear tire, spare tire. What do you want to call it? I can't think. Door panels, interior door panels, which are not stripped for your race pleasure. And steering wheel, bottle, some tow hooks, it looks like. And now we're going to take a look at parts tree B, which has some suspension pieces as well as roll bars and other various pieces. Up here, look at the roll bars, as well as you have your transaxle piece there. Transaxle piece there. Looks like you have your right side of the roll bar. Whatever that piece is there. Left side with tie rods. Top part of the roll bar there. Front and rear suspension pieces, as well as a rear spoiler, I believe. Or no, I'm sorry, that's not rear spoiler. That is going to be, you're going to attach that to the rear of the chassis. That's a chassis extender piece. That's what that is. That's a chassis extender piece. And then you have the exhaust, which is not going to be full exhaust. It's going to come out probably before it's going to dump out before the rear axle. And now we're going to take a look at parts tree D, which has rear spoiler, front rear bumpers, your set of brake rotors, race mirrors. This is probably the there's a look at the rotors. And the front rear bumpers, spoiler, everything else on that part tree. Now take a look at the wheels. I'm taking a look now at parts tree C and G, which first up will be the chrome parts tree. You have your headlight, tail light, and mirrors there. And then one of the new parts for this kit, parts tree G here, which is the front driving lights that attach to the bumper. And now take a look at the clear parts tree. So you have your front rear windows, side window pieces, headlight, tail lights, turn signal lenses that go in the bumper. And then you have this tiny little parts tree here, clear parts tree, which are for lights or whatever that attach to the roof, I believe is what these are. I'm guessing these were used to light up the roof number, maybe. I don't know, to be honest. I'm just taking a guess, but that's that. And now taking a look at the tires, which also you get a set of, a mesh screen for the grill, and your tires, which are going to be cambered race slicks, and obviously the poly caps there. And now finally we'll take a look at the decals. So first you have the window trim and decal sheet. Okay, I'm not a fan of this. I will say this in every single video for every single kit that has them. I do not like the window trim decals. They never work out great, look great. Window mask should be standard. And now the main decal sheet, which has pretty full. So that is going to do it for this look for the 1989 Toyota Corolla Levin AE92 for the 89 Spa 24 hours kit from NuNu. I kind of said that backwards, didn't I? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So, on that note, thank you for watching.